Ever find yourself struggling to come up with tasty and nutritious vegan meals during a busy week? You're not alone. The hustle and bustle of the week can make meal planning tough. Enter meal prepping. Stay tuned to discover quick and easy vegan meal prep ideas that will make your week a whole lot easier. Vegan meal prep is all about planning and preparing your meals in advance. It's a clever way to save time, keep stress at bay, ensure you're eating balanced meals, and dodge those last-minute unhealthy food choices. Now, you are probably wondering, how can I do this? Here are some simple steps to make your vegan meal prep a breeze. Step 1. Choose a day for meal prep. It could be Sunday, it could be Wednesday, any day that suits your schedule. Step 2. Plan your meals for the entire week. Consider including a variety of dishes to keep your taste buds excited. You might want to try a hearty lentil stew one day and a colorful stir-fry the next. Step 3. It's shopping time. Arm yourself with a list of ingredients for each meal and hit your local farmer's market or grocery store. Remember to opt for fresh, organic produce whenever possible. Step 4. The fun part, cooking. Prepare your meals, let them cool, and then store them in reusable containers. Label each container with the date and meal for easy identification. And voila, you've got a week's worth of delicious vegan meals ready to go. Let's quickly recap what you've learned today. We've delved into the world of vegan meal prep, highlighting its manifold benefits. It's a surefire way to save time, reduce stress, and ensure you always have nutritious meals at your fingertips. We've also walked you through the steps to make it happen, from planning your meals to executing the prep. Remember, vegan meal prep not only saves you time and stress, but it also ensures you have nutritious meals ready whenever you need them. Happy prepping!